useless ah! What if I take out the...
Welcome to our program. So the first thing we do is we initialize all the different GPIO pins with the gating for the Bluetooth module interrupts and also for the LED, the sound and the motors. And then we initialize the kernel with our RTOS. So the way our program works is by having semaphores. So each thread will only be released or will only run based on the respective semaphores. And basically the semaphores are initialized such that only one thread can acquire at a certain time. And the brain semaphore is only released by the Bluetooth module when the Bluetooth receives a signal on which direction to move. And the movement semaphore is only released by the brain module when the brain decides where to move. And finally, before we begin, we have to run we wait for our Bluetooth signal and then we play the sound and we flash some lights before we begin. And then we create all these threads for our RTOS module. So to look into our brain thread, actually it is quite simple. We basically just wait for the Bluetooth signal to release our brain semaphore, and then we decide whether to play our ending song or whether to move according to the signal received.